exclusive to Roper Properties. A stunning one-bedroom top-floor apartment in Puerto del Carmen. The interior includes a fitted kitchen, spacious lounge leading out to the covered terrace overlooking the pool. The communal pool with generous sunbathing area is easily accessible from the apartment. The apartment comes with air conditioning in all the rooms. One double bedroom with fitted wardrobes and one bathroom with shower. And only 400 meters walking distance to the beach and the main promenade. It also has its own allocated parking space. Roper, the only name in property. Established since 1984.